Okay, this is video 2. I stopped for a while when recording to keep the video shorter. I got a bunch more pieces laid out. Some of the stacks are a little tall, so they're going to have to be trimmed down because your limit is 7. What you see here is we used a Hoard Stack 7, and we removed all but one so we remember what the stack is, and we put the Hoard Stack tile down. This one here we need to check, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we put a Hoard Stack there, and we'll put the top one on there, but that leaves us with 2 that we're gonna have to put somewhere else because that stack was too tall. So let's put it in here. Put these back in the world. That way you can keep your game going. We have baskets in here too tall. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's another Hoard Stack. So we'll put one on top of there, and those ones go back in the world. But we have 3 left, so we're going to have to start another stack somewhere. We can cross the bed here so we can start the stack there. We have a stack of books here that looks too tall, so there's one on the bottom, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and some left over. So that's another Hoard Stack. And that leaves 3 books left, so where are we going to put those? Let's put them back here. Okay, so now this stack looks a little tall. If your stacks fall over, it's called a hoard avalanche. You'll have to restack them at that point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's a Hoard Stack. We've got 7 here. Another Hoard Stack. So by putting the pieces back in the bag,